Hi, my name is Gabe Brown from Gabe Brown Engineering. I'm the owner of the facility here. What we have to offer you guys is many years of experience in racing, two-stroke, go-karts, sand drags, as you can see behind you. But today we're focusing on the Baja 5B. The tools that are required to do the project that we discussed earlier is Permatex high-temp RTV silicone, which is very good, 5/16 box end wrench, and a 3mm Allen wrench that comes with the HBI Baja kit. And the complete package comes complete with the Gabe Brown Engineering expansion chamber. Now we've come to the point where we've removed the stock exhaust, we've removed the body from the car. Now we're ready to open the bag and get the parts out and start applying them to the car. Everything to use. There's your pipe. There's the front bracket. Comes complete. The 14 gauge steel bracket. This is a prototype bracket. The brackets that will come with it will be black powder coated. Comes with a rubber isolator nut and locking nut. That goes right there in this position on the car. You remove these two bolts, apply, put the stock bolts right back down. The kit comes complete with everything to install it. I have here a little bag that has the head studs and lock nuts and washers. Now we'll go ahead and remove the head pipe from the expansion chamber. It's a little snug fit. Laying that back down. Now with the RTV silicone, the first thing I want to do is when I'm installing is I want to put a little bead of silicone. Just a little bit around the flange itself. A nice even coat all the way around so that it's all covered. Now I'm just going to go ahead and let this set so that I can let the silicone go ahead and skin so that we create a good gasket and good seal. Here you see the studs that come in the bag in the kit. We've already applied them to the head here, as you see. Now, once everything is removed and you have the studs in place, you go ahead and come to the back, remove the top shot bolt on the right hand side, remove the center bolt in the section here that does the support, remove this bolt here, lay it down. Now we have our head pipe. Take the head pipe, we lay this over just a little bit in order to clear to get it over the studs. Nice fit. There we go. Now, using our lock washers, we put our lock washers first. Lock washers on. Go ahead and put the nuts on. Now we're going ahead and snugging up the nuts on the head pipe with the fingers. Go ahead and do them with your fingers first. Let it set for a minute. Now we're going to go right here to the front of the car. We're going to go ahead and remove the front bolts. Using your GBE bracket that's supplied with the kit. Good and tight, snug her down. Alright, now that we have the bracket installed, we go ahead and remove the nut off of the rubber isolator, which mounts into the pipe to the front of the car. Now we can go ahead and put the expansion chamber on the pipe. If you guys were with us or out at Doontoberfest, you noticed the prototype end bleed was a straight cone pipe. It hung out high in front on the car. We've actually turned the pipe now without changing any of the geometry in the cones, without losing any performance. Now it tucks nice and tightly down in beside the car with a 90-degree turn, not a 180. Once we've installed the front brace for the expansion chamber, we'll go ahead and put our chamber onto the head pipe. Might be a little tight at first because of the plating. Go ahead and tip the pipe up 45-degree angle. Give a nice little twist as it comes around. The pipe should rotate right around, right around and right onto our stud there. You can go ahead and put your lock washer and nut that comes with the kit on it. Now we've got the front mount tightened on it. We'll go ahead and zip ties that are supplied with you. Go ahead and put around the silicone sleeve here. That's our seal from head pipe to chamber. Nice, good and tight. High temp silicone insulator tube will handle the temperature no problem. Just good and tight so we get a good seal there. Now we can go back to the shock tower. Go ahead and start putting it all back together on this side. Installing the rear shock tower in the back here. Put it back together. Alright, the lower bolt in here. Pipe comes with a sticker kit. You have small stickers, large stickers. Pipe installation is complete. Now all you have to do is give a quick